Hey, it's Arie here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. This video is going to be all about the best affiliate programs for digital products. So if you're looking to get into affiliate marketing and you want to find some great digital products that will pay you some good commissions, this video is going to go over exactly how to find the best affiliate programs for digital products and my personal favorite ones that I highly recommend checking out for yourself. But before I actually dive into things, if this is the first time that you're on my channel, I'm always putting out new videos on a regular basis, Monday through Friday, that will show you how to do affiliate marketing, how to grow an online business, and how to create a passive income right online. So if you enjoy those kinds of videos, make sure that you hit the subscribe button down below and tick that bell icon so this way you can be notified whenever there is a brand new video on my channel. But without further ado, let's get right into things. Alright, so number one on this list is probably one that you're probably already very well familiar with. It's called ClickBank.com. This is the site right here. So ClickBank is easily probably one of the most well-known affiliate marketplaces out there. They've been around for a very long time, about 20 or so years. I think a little bit more than that actually. But if you go to affiliate marketplace, it's going to bring up an entire list of different products that they have right on here. And it's got like a ton of different, categories of products that you could, of course, look into. Like they've got arts and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting systems, business and investing, like e-business and e-marketing. That's a really popular niche to get into. Lots of high-ticket products in here. So like 12-minute affiliate system right here will pay out like a commission of like $73.03. That's for one single sale. They've got ClickBank University, which will pay out like $198. Super affiliate system, this is a really popular one. They'll pay like a $500 commission right there. And again, that's for like one single sale that you can get of like this program right here. So that's a very high ticket offer right there. And as you can see, there's a pretty big earning potential in this niche right here. But they've got other ones like they've got health and fitness. There's home and garden. There's a whole bunch of other niches you could of course get into. But that's pretty much the entire pretty much the general idea of ClickBank. But next one on this list is called Warrior Plus. This is very similar to ClickBank, except this one I'd say their products are more so in like the business type of like make money type of niche. So right here I'm on like the homepage of Warrior Plus, and it shows like the top 10 best-selling products as of today. But if we go to like marketplace, we can go to like categories. Bring up like an entire list of different products, primarily in like marketing education. They've got products about like different platforms. So and then there's also some software products. So I'd say one of the big differences between ClickBank and Warrior Plus is that Warrior Plus, it's very similar, except when you want to promote a product on here, unlike with ClickBank where you could just go to like an offer, click on the promote button, and then just get your affiliate link pretty much right away once you enter your username right there. With Warrior Plus is a bit different, where instead of getting your affiliate link right away, you have to first request approval to the product that you want to promote. So like if I go into say like the into offers right here, right, and I just get I go through like an entire list of different products, it's gonna bring up let's see if this wants to load up here. Here we go. So if I scroll down a bit, right here it shows so these are the different offers, and if I want to promote any of these products right here, I first have to click on one of these request buttons, and this is where I can of course request access to promote this product right here. So that is kind of one thing to keep in mind, is that you do have to first get approved before you want promote an offer on here. But usually what it all comes down to is you just click on the request approval button, and then you can just write like a message, like a short message, like, hey, I'm looking to promote this offer on YouTube or Google or whatever it is that you're of course planning to promote the offer. May I have access to an affiliate link? And usually for the most part, the vendor will give you access to your own affiliate link that you could of course promote. But in some cases, some affiliate vendors, they might be a bit more selective in terms of who they allow to promote. So that's just one thing to keep in mind. But other than that, Warrior Plus is still a great platform to consider checking out. Next one is called JVZoo. This is very similar to Warrior Plus. Again, mostly digital products in the marketing type of niche right there. But with this one, you also do have to request approval for products as well. So I'm not going to go too much into this because it's really the same concept as Warrior Plus. Is a lot of marketing education, digital products, software related things, video editing softwares. But again, that's pretty much the general idea of what JVZoo is all about right there. So that's another one you could of course check out. Fourth one, I actually forgot to go back here for my list, but so 3 was JVZoo. And then number 4 on this list is a bit of a newer program, actually. It's called Digistore 24. So the site it's originally based in Germany. It's like a German based website, but I believe it was like a year or two ago. It was just recently brought over to the US, and now you can promote their products on this platform right here. So just like before, you sign up for free. They've got, a whole bunch of different products you could, of course, go through. You could even look through like a marketplace right here and see, what exactly they have available. Since this is like a rather newer site, they don't have like as big of a selection as like with, like ClickBank, for example. But it is still a pretty nice selection. They've got, each of the different niches that you could, of course, look into. Computer, business, music, education, all that type of stuff is in here. But yeah, that's pretty much the general idea of Digistore 24. Next one is called ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels is a software-related tool. And they also have like other programs in here as well. Like it's a lot of like marketing education, but the main ClickFunnels tool itself, this is a really great program to promote because it offers monthly recurring commissions. So the benefit with programs like these, where you promote like a recurring based commission program like that, is you get commission every single month as long as that customer remains subscribed to this program right here. So like, for example, right, if you get someone signed up to ClickFunnels, right, first they go through a free 14-day trial, so they go through a 14-day trial, they test it out for themselves, and if they decide at the end if they want to continue using ClickFunnels, then you will get paid a commission of every single month when they pay that membership fee to be a member. So it's like either $97 a month, or I think there's like another one that's like $287 or something like that. You get a commission like a 40% commission as long as they remain a customer. So that's the benefit with programs like ClickFunnels, and this is also like a really popular one that you can of course check out. But I'd say hands down my favorite, my number one recommendation for digital products is private ecosystems. What exactly is private ecosystems? This is where you get into a marketplace where they don't necessarily accept everyone into the program. They're a bit more selective in terms of who they allow into the program. But with private ecosystems, the benefit with this is that there's much higher there's usually much bigger commissions. The products are more like high ticket, so there's a bigger earning potential. And then the other benefit with private ecosystems is when you get someone into one of the ecosystems and they buy like one of the products from them, then usually what happens is if they buy anything else inside of the program, you also get paid a commission on that without you having to put in any additional effort. So my number one recommendation for this is actually a program called the 4% Success Challenge. And I really love this program actually because they provide great training in terms of how to build an online business, shows you how to do affiliate marketing, shows you how to pretty much promote anything that you want online. And it literally walks you through like step by step how to do that. So that is the primary offer that they have is called the 4% Challenge. They have other ones like Internet Traffic Academy, there's eStage, there's a few other ones that you can of course look through as well. But this program, the reason why I really like it is because when you get someone into like the Success Challenge, right, for example, not only do you get paid a commission when they go through that challenge, but you also get paid commissions for anything else in this program that they decide to buy later on, which most people who do go through the challenge, they do end up buying programs like Internet Traffic Mastery or Academy, which is actually what they're changing that to. But you also get paid a commission on that, as well as any tools that the program creator recommends. So for example, one of the things that the owner, Vic JVZoo, recommends is he recommends having your own sales funnel builder, an email autoresponder, and a tracking system. You definitely need these tools if you want to really grow your business properly. If you don't have these things, then it's very difficult to really build up your business in the long term. So he recommends things like, ClickFunnels. He recommends, different email autoresponders like Aweber or GetResponse or, ConvertKit. There's also tracking systems like ClickMagic. When someone goes through the challenge and they pick up any of the tools that he recommends, it's also set up in a way where you get paid commissions whenever one of your customers goes through the challenge and then decides to pick up any of those resources there. But that's pretty much what the 4% challenge is all about. And one other thing that I want to show you actually is just recently I made my very first 3 sales in this program right here. So if I go to my payouts, it'll show what I've been able to earn in this program right here. But if that wants to load up, hopefully. So inside of my payouts, it'll show that I have been able to generate $722.01 right there. This is currently in pending commissions, but this is just from 3 sales alone inside of the success challenge and then both internet traffic mastery right there. So as you can see right here, the earning potential with the 4% challenge is quite big. Of course, you know, this isn't, you know, guaranteed at all. Just because you join a program or because you buy into something, that doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to, you know, be able to generate results like this easily. It definitely does take, you know, consistent effort on your end. If you're not willing to put in the work, if you're not willing to have a long-term mindset, then you just cannot expect to get long-term results with not just the 4%, but really anything that you decide to promote. And that just kind of, you know, I mean, I just have to be real when I, of course, say that I can't just, you know, sugarcoat things and just say, like, okay, if you join this thing, you're going to make all this money, because that's just really not the case. It really comes down to, you know, you have to be willing to actually put in the consistent long-term effort. And if you're willing to do that, then the earning potential with this is absolutely huge. But that's pretty much my entire, that's pretty much my 5 or 6 recommendations for finding affiliate products inside of digital product programs. But hope you found this video helpful. If you did, I'd really appreciate this if you gave this a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And if you want to actually check out the 4% challenge for yourself and actually be able to earn from multiple streams of income, you know, like leverage an entire ecosystem, then my #1 link down below will give you access to a free training that will go over how to make a passive income from multiple streams of income. But anyways, hope you found this video helpful, and take care.